Marc is a third-year podiatric medicine student and is taking full advantage of the area. Hiking, volleyball, nightlife, and hanging out in the coffee lounge are just some of the extracurricular things he loves about campus in Arizona. Tell us what you've been up to, Marc.
Awesome, thanks, Alex. Never in a million years did I imagine leaving small-town Wisconsin for podiatry school in the middle of the desert. But something about Midwestern surroundings of desert, cacti, and roadrunners was calling to me, and little did I know how much more Arizona had to offer. A huge part of my decision to travel across the country for grad school was in the adventure I knew I'd be taking in Glendale. From the moment I arrived, I found people with that same shared desire to explore. Orientation week with my classmates was filled with pool time, hikes to Red Rocks, and sand volleyball, and I knew I had found a second home here. Thunderbird Mountain is right in our backyard. I get a great view of the sunset when I'm studying in the library with my classmates, so of course I love to come out here every chance I get. It's been so nice traveling with friends throughout Arizona. From skiing at the Snow Bowl in Flagstaff, to hiking up Mount Humphreys and down the Grand Canyon, to floating the Salt River, to dancing at Buffalo Chip, there's been no shortage of recreation and exploration for anyone who looks for it. A major reason I've been able to take advantage of Arizona is because of the home that Midwestern has become. Without the community I've been able to form with my classmates and peers, these adventures and experiences would mean so much less. I really can't imagine this time in my life without the memories that I've made at Midwestern. Plus, my family and friends from back home love to come visit whenever they need a little dose of Arizona sunshine. I'll keep exploring here, but in the meantime, let's send it back to you, Alex.
Marc, you're doing a great job balancing your academic pursuits with awesome activities around campus. The Glendale campus in Arizona offers so many opportunities for adventure, enriching students' educational journey. Thanks for telling us about your experiences, Marc. That was great.